Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to write affiliate marketing content using AI agent. So as an affiliate marketer, I need to generate content on regular basis regarding the promotion of different websites and their products. But doing it manually is a time consuming and a hectic process. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Now every time I'm going to add the details of a new website or a product in my Google Sheets, automatically affiliate marketing content is going to be generated with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI, and automatically a document is going to be generated for that same content. To automate this entire long process, I'm not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. I'm going to simply integrate all these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to automatically generate content for affiliate marketing using AI agent and Pabbly Connect. So as an affiliate marketer managing multiple niche websites, I constantly need fresh SEO optimized content to promote products from different websites. Manually writing these articles taking a lot of time, from researching product features to struggling for generating and writing the content that converts the leads. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of my AI agent. So now as soon as I'm going to add a new row in my spreadsheet along with the details of a new website, a new client or a product, automatically without any manual efforts, my AI agent, that is OpenAI, is going to generate the content for me and going to add it in the Google Docs. So here, first of all, let me show you that how this automation is actually going to work. So let me add a product name over here. So here I have added the product name Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. Let's say this is the affiliate link. We have the target audience is remote workers. We have the key features. The tone should be persuasive. And let's say here I'm going to add the goal of the client, improve conversion rates. As soon as I've entered a new row over here, I'm going to take you towards my Google Docs. And over here, when we are going to refresh Google Docs once, you can see that automatically a document is generated over here for the same product, affiliate marketing content for Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. So this is how the automation is actually going to work. And you know how am I going to create this automation? By simply connecting my applications such as Google Sheets, AI agent, that is OpenAI, and Google Docs. And that too without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. That is an amazing automation and integration software. So let's get started. To start with the process, first of all, you need to open a new tab, and in your browser, you need to type pabbly.com/connect. When you will do that, it is going to take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where you can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now it is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save the workflow separately and in organized format, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. A dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So quickly, let me first of all provide a name over here. Write affiliate marketing content using AI agent. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create is related to AI. So here I'm going to select AI automations as the folder. Now I'm going to click on create, and as I have done that, my workflow is going to be saved in the same folder which I have decided. So now we are on a new screen. The new screen contains a blank workflow which we have to fill up in order to completely set up this automation. And over here we have two extremely important windows. We have trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now here, let's suppose I want that every time a new row is going to be added in my spreadsheet spreadsheet along with the details of a new product which is to be promoted as affiliate marketer, automatically on the basis of those details, the content for affiliate marketing should be generated by using all the details which we have received from Google Sheets with the help of OpenAI. And also a document should be generated automatically with the help of Google Docs for that same content. So here for that, I'm going to take Google Sheets and trigger, OpenAI and Google Docs in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when a new row will be added in our spreadsheet, then only the details will be captured, and on the basis of those details, affiliate marketing content is going to be generated with the help of OpenAI, and the same content is then automatically going to be added in Google Docs, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and actions, let us start creating this amazing automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application over here. So my trigger application will be Google Sheets. Let's quickly select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. That means on the happening of its specific event inside Google Sheets, you want to capture the response and start your workflow every time. So here I want that when a new or updated spreadsheet row will be added in your Google Sheets, then the workflow should trigger every time. For that, here we have selected the trigger application and the trigger event. So now we have to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect with the help of the webhook URL which we have received. How we are going to do that? By simply following the given instructions step by step carefully. So let's copy the webhook URL and then I'm going to show you what you are supposed to do. Because when we will insert the webhook URL inside our Google Sheets, then the webhook URL is actually going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every single row which is added in our Google Sheets towards Pabbly Connect. So I will take you towards my Google Sheets first of all, and over here you can see that these are the columns I have. So I have the product name column over here, the affiliate link for which I want to generate the content to promote. Then we have the target audience, whom to target. Then we have the key features or benefits of the product. We have the tone in which we want to generate the content and the goal of the client. All right. After coming on the Google Sheets, you have to go towards extensions, and here we have the option of add-ons. When you will go towards get add-ons, it is going to take you towards Google Workspace Marketplace, where we need to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Basically, Pabbly Connect Webhook is the add-on which we need to install in Google Sheets to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So you can see that I have already installed the add-on. So I'm going to quickly click on cross. But if you have installed this add-on for the very first time, you also have to refresh your spreadsheet once. Then only you will be able to find the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks under extensions. As here I can see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, let's go towards initial setup. As we have to do an initial setup in which we need to enter certain details. So first of all, we have to provide the webhook URL over here which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Then we have to move forward and select a trigger column. So you have to decide a specific column which is going to act as a trigger column for your spreadsheet. The concept of trigger column says that in your spreadsheet, whenever a new row is going to be added up till this column which you have decided as trigger column, then entire row is going to be immediately sent towards Pabbly Connect, and that too automatically. So here in my case, you can see that I have the columns in my spreadsheet up till F. I want to consider F as my trigger column, that is the column for goal of the client, because I want that whenever a new row will be added along with the details of a new website or a product in my Google Sheets, then only when the row will be filled up till my F column, then only the data should be sent towards Pabbly Connect, otherwise not before that. So here I'm going to select F as my trigger column. In the similar manner, you can select a specific column which is going to act as your trigger column from your spreadsheet data. Now I'm going to click on the send test button to send the test response of the second row towards Pabbly Connect. As the data is sent successfully, let's submit the initial setup. And now as the setup is configured, I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. You can see that the response is automatically captured over here. In the response, we have received all the details. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the trigger column over here that we have decided. Then we have the tone, we have the target audience, the spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index. That means the number of row which we have received as the response. We have the product name, key features, goal, affiliate link, and all other details. Now, as we have received all these details, this means that the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is built. But here I want that every time now a new row will be added in this spreadsheet up till the trigger column, the data should be keep on sending automatically. So for that, we have to go towards extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and we have to do one more thing. We have to click on this send on event button. As we have done that, now we have made sure that every time we are going to add a new row over here in this spreadsheet, the data will be automatically keep on sending towards Pabbly Connect. After completely and successfully building the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Pabbly Connect, let's move forward towards generating affiliate marketing content using AI agent. As an AI agent here, I'm going to use OpenAI. So I'm going to take you towards my action step, and in our action application here, I'm going to select OpenAI. If you're using any other AI application as your AI agent to generate your affiliate marketing content, for that you can also select that application over here. I have selected OpenAI, and now I'm going to select the action event. So I need to generate the content with the help of GPT. So here I'm going to select ChatGPT as my action event. Now let's click on connect. To build a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. So if you already have created an existing connection, you can just quickly go with that. But I'm going to show you to build a new connection. For that, keep logging to your OpenAI account. Okay, not only OpenAI, but all the applications which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect, make sure that you are already logged into those applications to make the process of your connection simple and easier. Now here, after clicking on add new connection, you need to enter the token. To generate the token, just click on this hyperlink. If you are already logged into your OpenAI account, it will redirect you towards API key page of OpenAI. Over here, you can click on create new secret key. You can provide an optional name to your key. Let's say new key for testing, just a random name, and you can select the project in which you want to save the key. If you have multiple projects, just select one of them. If you have a single one like this, just select it. Let's click on create secret key now, and here we have the key which is ready. Let's copy it. We'll go back and we'll quickly paste it over here like this. I have already built the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect earlier. So currently I'm going to select my existing connection and I'm going to click on save. After building the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, let's move forward. Here we have to select the model by using which we want to generate our content. So the model which I am going to use in order to generate the content is GPT-4o mini. I have selected that. If you want, you can select any of the other model as well. Now we are going to move forward towards a very important and the highlight step of this automation, that is to enter the prompt. Prompt is actually the command which we need to provide to ChatGPT or to our AI agent, that what we actually want it to do for us. Currently, our objective is to generate SEO friendly, unique and creative content for affiliate marketing related to the details which we have received from our Google Sheets response. So in our prompt, we have to mention all the details, that what is the purpose of generating the content, what is the type of business which we are doing, what all details we require to be there in our content, and all those details which we do not want as well, such as some kind of specific words, spaces or certain symbols which we do not want. So the prompt should be on point, clear and well instructed. Then only we will be able to attain the goal of generating proper and correct content. So here in my case, the prompt is going to be, so here is a prompt: write an affiliate article targeting. So first of all, here I have mentioned the role which my AI agent needs to perform. It has to write an affiliate article for me. Targeting, so here I'm going to enter the target audience. About the product, here I'm going to enter the product name. Highlight the key features. So features I'm going to enter which I have received from Google Sheets, and also use a tone. So I'm going to specifically enter the tone which I have received from my Google Sheets. Add a compelling call to action at the end with the affiliate link. And here I'm going to provide the link as well which I have received from Google Sheets. Keep the content informative, benefit focused and persuasive. This is my on point prompt. Now I'm going to one by one enter the details which we have received from Google Sheets. You can see first of all we have to enter the target audience. Here it is given. So I'm going to directly insert it like this from the previous step. Then we have the product name. So once again here we have the product name. I'm going to insert it like this. As we are inserting these details directly from the previous step, we are mapping them. Mapping makes the data dynamic. So here it is asking us highlight the key features. So here we have the key features, this. Then we have the tone. Then finally we are going to insert the affiliate link as well. As we have mapped all these details, automatically whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets, these details will get replaced with the new details of that new row. In this way, we are going to automate the entire process of generating content for each of the product or each of the website. Otherwise, if we will enter the data manually, like we have entered the rest of the prompt, it will become static and then it is not going to replace every time. Therefore, mapping is actually very important where we want the data should get replaced. Okay. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button to capture the response. And here we got the response: unlock your fitness potential with the Noise smartwatch pearls. Here we have the entire content. Directly now I'm going to insert this content for my further review by the team members in my Google Docs. Okay, so now I'm going to build the connection between Google Docs and Pabbly Connect. Let's go towards our action step. Our action application will be Google Docs. And here, because I want to generate the document first of all, so here I'm going to select create a blank document. Let's build the connection. I've already built the connection earlier with my Google Docs. So currently I'm going going to go with an existing connection only. If you want, you can also create a new connection. There is a very easy process you have to follow. Just keep logging to your Google Docs account. When you will do that, your account will be detected automatically. You just have to provide the permission and your work is done. So let me click on save. Here we have to provide the document name. So I'm going to give the name to my document as affiliate marketing content for, and I'm going to simply map the product name for which we are creating this content. Okay, now why I have mapped this name, so that I could make the document name dynamic, so that it automatically with every new response it will be changed. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and here you can see that the response is captured. I'm going to take you towards Google Docs, and here when I'm going to refresh my Google Docs once, you can see that here we have a blank document created with the same title, affiliate marketing content for Noise Smartwatch Pulse. Now I'm going to insert the data which is generated from OpenAI over here in this document. So again, we will select Google Docs as our action application. This time the action event will be append a paragraph to a document. Let's click on connect and let's go with existing connection only. Here we have to provide the document ID which we have received in our earlier response. To make it dynamic, let's just turn this mapping button on, clear out the existing data, and here we have received the ID of document. Just search for the ID. Here it is. Let's map it. And we will quickly insert the text which we have received from OpenAI. Done. Let's click on save and send test request button. Again, here is a problem. It is saying warning, document is required. You can see I have already mapped the document ID, but it is still showing that it is required. There is a technical glitch which we need to rectify. For that, don't worry, just click on refresh fields. Once the document ID is cleared out, once again map it. And now the glitch is rectified. So let's click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, we have got the response. Again, I will take you towards my Google Docs, and here you can see that the details are automatically added. So in this way, the content process has become easier. And now as we have built the connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and Google Docs, every time a new row will be added in our spreadsheet, automatically on the basis of those details, affiliate marketing content is going to be generated with the help of OpenAI, and also it is going to be added in the Google Docs in proper format. So here further I will be able to review it and I will be able to post them on the websites of my clients. So once we have completed this automation, I'm going to now show you a real example of this. So first of all, I will take you towards my Google Sheets once again, and here I'm going to add a new row in front of you. So let's say the product name this time is Anchor Power Core 10,000, and now quickly I'm going to enter the entire row. As soon as I've added a new row over here up till the trigger column, now quickly I will take you towards my Google Docs. Here you can see that a well document is generated, this time for Anchor Power Core 1000, and here we have the entire content. This means that yes, our workflow is running absolutely fine. So very easily you can also create this amazing automation for your affiliate marketing business. You do not have to use any coding and programming knowledge for this. Just simply set up the connection between these applications as shown in the video. So I hope the automation is clear to you. Also it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.